Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cook beef pulao recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, then add 1 small onion, add kashmish, then add ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Then add beef, add 1 tablespoon of pulao masala and half tablespoon of biryani masala, and then cover it for 2 minutes. Add some water and then add garam masala, then add rice and add more water according to your rice. Add salt to taste and cook it for 10 minutes. Dum for 5 minutes and then add food color, and it's ready to eat.